In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore archived text messages on your Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it might be really annoying, especially if you have archived a lot of chats in the past, but you don't know how to access them and unarchive those chats. So all you want to do is firstly locate your Messenger application, which mine is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. It's going to bring me obviously to Google Messages, and just make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. If you're not, you can just switch it on the top right. Then from here, all you want to do is go ahead and click on it. And then if you've archived chats previously, you want to go to archived, which is right under your profile. Go ahead and click on that, and any archived text messages are going to be right here. Then all you got to do is just click on any of the ones that you want, and you'll be able to unarchive them. And if you need help with that, you can also press help and feedback on the top right just to see, exactly how to do it if any of it gets a bit confusing, or you can let us know down in the comment section below if you have any more questions on how to do this. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.